Is your new phone fast, smart, and light? Was the food spicy, oily, and tasty? Are your shoes old, dirty, and torn? Is the weather hot, dry, and sunny today? Is the new sofa soft, big, and beautiful? Was the exam hard, tricky, and long? Are the streets noisy, busy, and narrow? Was your day tiring, busy, and productive? Are the animals big, wild, and dangerous? Was the trip exciting, adventurous, and fun? Is your laptop light, fast, and new? Is your friend tall, strong, and kind? Is the book interesting, helpful, and short? Is the hotel clean, comfortable, and quiet? Was your teacher strict, fair, and helpful? Are your cousins funny, friendly, and smart? Is your room neat, colorful, and fresh? Is the train fast, smooth, and crowded? Is the dress bright, shiny, and elegant? Was the movie long, boring, and confusing?